Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for Amazon jobs online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and go to amazon.jobs and then hit enter. Then from here, you're going to come to this website. Now we can go ahead and find jobs and location. So say if you want to find warehouse jobs, you're going to type in warehouse and then put your location. So I'm in Australia. I'm going to put Australia in here and then click search. And now once you've found the job you want to apply for, we want to go ahead and click into it. So from here, if I want to go for, say, this waste coordinator, environmental assurance and protection field, I'm going to click into that. Now it's going to tell me more about the job with the description, key responsibilities, basic qualifications, preferred qualifications, and also a little bit more about them. Then on the right hand side, we've got the job details here, and also related jobs, but the one with the option we're trying to find is the apply now button. So it's a big orange button on the top right hand corner. Now this is going to take us over to a new page when we need to log into our account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in with my Google account. Okay, so once we've done that, it's going to say apply, and this might be different depending on your location where you're watching this video from, but it's all basically the same. So we need to put my progress here. So we need to put our contact information, answer the general questions, education, job specific questions, work eligibility, resume and acknowledgement. Also voluntary equal employment opportunity, voluntary self-identification, and then review and submit. So once you've gone through all these tabs and filled it out, you're going to successfully apply for a job for Amazon.